Hope you guys are doing well. Welcome back. So in this video, I'm going to show you that how you can create account on Vimeo. So let's start. So first of all, what we have to do simply we have to go to the Google Chrome, and after that we have to search for the Vimeo. So as you can see, I have already searched for it. Now simply we have to click on this website. So we have to open this, and after opening this, what we have to do simply, if you have already created an account, you have to click on the login. If you want to join, you are creating an account for the first time, you have to click on the join for free. And after clicking on this, I'm going to click on the continue with Google. You can also continue with your new email account. So I'm going to choose my email address here. So we have to choose that. And now simply we have to click on the continue, and after clicking on the continue, we have to wait for a few seconds. So as you can see, now it's here. Now simply we have to choose some plans. These are the paid ones. So you have to choose that which one you want to use. For example, has a $12 and $20. You have to choose a package, that which package you want to buy. So for at this time, I'm going to cut this one. So after cutting this, as you can see, here is your Vimeo account. So in this way, you can create your Vimeo account. Other options are also provided here. You can use them. So I hope you guys understand this video, that how you can create account on Vimeo. It's very easy to understand. It's very easy to use as well. So see you guys in the next video.